This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. Today we're going to talk about teenage acne. Stick around for the end of the video and I'm going to show you an amazing toolkit that will help you wipe out acne like a pro. In regards to blackheads, keratin and oil combine to block the pore. They're often found on the face and trunk, but they can be found anywhere on the body. A blackhead is also called an open comedo, and it is a clogged pore in the skin that is open to the air. Blackheads are not clogged with dirt, but it's the exposure to air that causes oxidation, turning the internal contents black. They can be extracted using a comedone extractor. Teens are especially susceptible to blackheads and pimples because of hormone changes in their bodies. Let's look at a minute or two of extraction clips, then I'll tell you about my favorite pimple popper kit. Friendly reminder, to fulfill all your popping needs, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.